Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Before we get into the video, I want to talk about this watch from KYBOE. I'm wearing this iced out watch that lights up so you can see what time it is in the dark. And I do have a special coupon code so you can save some money if you're interested in buying one. I don't make money off this code. It's just a very nice gift to my Glow Gang from KYBOE. Okay, now back to this hair. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. And if you're new to my channel, this is what my texture looks like. It's 4B, 4C hair and it's very high porosity. I went ahead and sectioned off my hair off camera and I'm working in very small sections. The first thing that I'm going to go in with is my Carol's Daughter's Green Supreme Leave-In. I really like this conditioner because one of the main ingredients is green tea. It's supposed to restore weak and undernourished hair while adding shine, and it also has coconut water in it. So once I work this in, I'm going to follow up with my Echo Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. You can use whatever gel you want. I just decided to try this one. When you're working with gel, you want to make sure your hair is wet, so anytime when I feel my hair is getting a little dry, I'll just spritz it with water. And now I'm going to continue these steps all over my head. Now once I get to the front of my head, my hair is so weird. It's like a wavy texture. I don't have heat damage because I never put heat on my hair before, so I don't know what this texture is. It's very wavy and sometimes it wants to be straight. I don't know, but yep, there it is. Coils are popping, my hair is shiny, and it has so much body. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!